Now that we have the new printers that are replacing the Ricoh printers, I strongly suggest that each one of us goes in and installs the new HP printers to take the place of the Ricoh ones. Now, if you don't feel comfortable doing this, feel free to come to me and I can very easily do this for you. I don't mind at all. But if you're the kind of person who would rather just take care of it yourself, here's how to do that. First, you're going to go down to the File folder. It's called File Explorer, and in the Quick Access, you're going to type in the high school's IP address, which is /10.0.60.120. That'll take you to this screen where you're going to select Apps, and here you'll see HP Universal Print Driver. I'm going to drag that down to where I see OSC, so that way I have it on my computer. I already have this, so I'm just going to skip it. Once you're here, I'm going to click this one. It will need to unzip. And then once it unzips, I'm just going to say, yes, you can make changes. Yes, I agree. I'm going to go traditional mode. And then here, I'm going to click Add a Printer using the IP address or host name. And there are 3 printers that we're going to do. So the first one I like to do is 10.0.56.11. This is Library 1. Again, I already did this, so go ahead. And then when it asks you the printer name, we're going to call it W and L Library 1. That's because I already named it that. I'm just going to call it delete this one. Now for you, you would call it W&L Library 1. This might take a long time depending on your computer, but once this pops up, you're going to click Do Not Share this printer. If you want it as the default, you can select it, or if not, just leave it unchecked. Finish, and then it'll take you here. For this one, you do have to set up print hold manually. So I'm going to go to the one I just installed. I'm going to change it under Printing Preferences. I'm going to go to Job Storage, and here you'll see I've selected Personal Job, Custom, and then my last name. So this is our new hold print. It's not Proof and Hold, even though you would think that. It's under Personal Job. Go ahead and select OK. And then to go back and install the other printers, you just click Add a Printer. But so that you don't get confused about having so many printers, if you want to get rid of one of your old ones, you're just going to right-click and remove this device. When you're adding a printer, you're just going to go up here. It might search, it might find, but mostly I just click the printer that I want isn't listed. I'm going to go back here again to using the IP address and then do the next one. So 10.0.56.12. This one is also in the library. It's Library 2. If you want the one in the Teacher's Lounge, just change it to 0.13, and that's the one in the Teacher's Lounge. So then next, and it'll do the exact same thing. And if you have any issues at all, especially if it asks you for admin approval, just hit the Enter key on your keyboard and it should let you do that. Other than that, if you have any issues, feel free to either email me or just bring me your laptop and I can do that for you.